Welcome back to another video. I'm your trader Sam, and this is going to be an interesting one because we are back testing the scene of the crime where we had that massive breakout to the upside from this triangle pattern here. We are now back testing that zone, and we are at the 618 currently, and we have SFP'd off this local low here at 27,330. The DXY is currently hitting resistance, and we have the ES trying to find support here at the last lower high of the bear market at 4,327. If this level is lost successfully, then it is going to look pretty bad for Bitcoin, and it is likely that we don't hold the current level here and possibly go down to test these lows at 26,642 and potentially lower. I have updated the Legends community in Discord about this current range where we are sat now, where I'll be looking to take a long position on Bybit. Guys and girls, if you are looking for a good exchange to use, I recommend Bybit. I use it myself. It has very low fees, very good user interface, easy to use, there's very good support, and you can claim up to $30,000 worth in bonuses by using the link below. Before we get into the thick of this, guys, please remember I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is for educational purposes. And you know what to do. You know what time it is. Smash that like button. Smash the subscribe button, guys, for the algorithm. Let's build this up together. Now let's crack on. So yeah, we did have this massive pump to the upside. We had a failed auction up here at 28,121. where volume was quite low trying to break those highs. We got the reversal, and now volume has started to pick up, and we are currently at this golden pocket where we actually did manage to close 2 8-hour candles above these local highs here at 27,479. Now we have SFP'd that low here, and it looks like we could be finding some support right now. The DXY is currently at resistance and is getting rejected, which is a great sign. So whenever you've got Bitcoin at support and the DXY at resistance, that is a great sign that you are going to get a potential move to the upside for Bitcoin. Hopefully we do consolidate here on the ES, and this is a bit of a fake out, and we get that reversal back up above this last lower high at 4,327. Roughly 18 hours ago, I updated the team here saying stopped at break even, but I'm re-entering here as we do have bullish CVD divergences at the 618 of this retracement into the previous high legends. So that was what we were just looking at before, where we have this 618 level, back testing the previous highs of 27,479. Now, if this is something that you're looking for, maybe you just need that little bit of extra confidence for your trading, or maybe you're a complete newcomer and you want to do some courses on learning how to trade Bitcoin and other crypto assets. This is the place where we do give live updates, sharing our trading strategies, what we're looking at for the day, entries, stop losses, take profits, you name it. So if that is something that you are interested in, you can check the link below for that as well. So if this current level is lost for Bitcoin, I will be looking down to these NPOC levels at 27,090 and 26,945, which coincide here with this sloping trend line. So that is my next level of interest to look for a reaction. If we do lose those levels, it will be looking quite bearish, as we will be entering back into this large consolidation here, this triangle pattern. And that would mean we could look for these lows down here. If you do manage to get into a long position at this current price level, a good place to take profits will be up at 28,121, where we did initially struggle to get above. And also we have this golden pocket here as well. If the price of Bitcoin does come up here with relatively low volume and we get rejected, right, with some heavy rejection candles, then we could look for a possible short entry. Personally, I would be looking for a local swing failure of the first attempt of hitting this golden pocket range, failing to break above, and then closing below. You either get in early and have your stop loss above that previous high there, or you could wait for the drop, and then on the back test, you could have your entry. However, this is going to be very dependent on the kind of volume and price action that we do get at this level. Obviously, if we just break straight through the zone, then we're not going to be looking for any trades, because I do think there is potential for us to go and test these highs once again at 28,630 and potentially go higher. It's important to zoom out and look at the overall context. Now we are making higher highs now and higher lows. Although this was a failed auction attempt of the highs at 28,121, it is in fact a higher high. And if we were to get that rise from here, this would in fact be a higher low. So you must bear that in mind when you are coming up to these take profit zones. You want to keep that in mind, because when you're taking short positions from these levels, yes, you may get a slight pullback, but because we are making these higher lows, the pullbacks get less and less. And you need to be mindful of that, because if you don't take your profits early and you don't know what you're doing, price can quickly reverse back up and either stop you out, or you can quickly find yourself in a losing trade. Where we had this failed auction yesterday, you can see we slightly front ran that 618, the golden pocket region. Now, just above there, we have multiple levels, MPOC levels, weeklies, monthlies, dailies, etc. So this is going to be a huge resistance zone for Bitcoin. So you really want to make sure that you are taking profits at this zone, because that is a potential zone where we could get a major reversal, but we just have to obviously analyze as price gets there. We also have this area above where a bunch of liquidity is sat just above these lower highs that were put in before the massive drop to the downside. So we have MPOC levels there, monthly levels, daily levels, etc. So that is also going to be a key level. And then obviously after that, well, you have 31,877, which is in fact the yearly high that has been put in. So as you can see, guys, it very much is a level to level environment. Predictions at the end of the day are just predictions. The most important thing here is that we exercise very good risk management. So that's it for this quick update on Bitcoin. I hope you found this useful, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao.